What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I want to cover 5 quick loans that approve people without a credit check. These loans are perfect for people that are starting their credit journey, rebuilding their credit, or have no credit at all. So I will point out that these are short-term loans. The approval amounts aren't very high. They're going to range anywhere from $250 to $1,000. And they also have short repayment terms, longest being about 12 months. So let's get right into it. The first one is a DCU Second Chance Builder loan. Now this loan is tailored to people with bad credit, and the credit line is one of the highest on this list with a max credit line of up to $2,500. The next one is from We Street Credit Union. They have 3 solid options. The first being the Fast Cash loan with a credit line of up to $1,000 with no credit check. The second being the Secure Pal line of credit. The only downside here is that you do need to open a savings account in order to be approved, and your credit line will be determined by the amount of savings you have in your account. The APR is as low as 5% and there's never a credit check. The last one being the New Pal line of credit with a credit line of up to $4,000, but this one works more as an overdraft protection. All right, moving on. The next loan you can apply for with no credit check is from Founders Credit Union. They have a quick loan that ranges from $500 to $2,000, all with no credit check. Easy and simple. Let's move on to the next one. So this next one is from Inspired Credit Union. They have a quick start loan where you can borrow up to $2,000 with a 12-month repayment. There's no credit check, and the upside to Inspire is they report to all 3 major credit bureaus. So not only can you borrow without a credit check, you're also building credit. So we have one more to go, and you may have noticed I'm kind of glossing through these, going through these pretty quick, not going through all the terms, and that's because there's a lot of stuff going on out here. There's birds chirping, there's cars revving, there's 4-wheelers going on back here, so I got to be kind of quick. There's planes in the air. So anyway, if you want detailed videos, be sure and check out my channel. I have tons of other videos on this topic, so don't miss out. All right, so the last one is from Andrews Federal Credit Union, which has a cash to go loan where you can borrow anywhere from $250 to $500, all with no credit check. Fast and straightforward. And that's pretty much it. 5 quick loans you can borrow from without a credit check. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to claim your $100 by signing up for Chime through the link in my description. See you next time.